everyone. In this assignment, you'll return to your proposed health promotion project and take an important next step, creating a structured measurement plan. This is where your program design becomes concrete. Instead of simply describing what you hope your program will accomplish, you will map out exactly how you plan to measure those changes. The purpose of this assignment is to make sure that your program objectives are aligned with the right measures, the right instruments, and the right sampling strategies. And I want to pause here for a moment because this alignment is absolutely essential. Even the strongest program can look ineffective if the wrong tools are used to measure it. This assignment helps you avoid that trap by thinking intentionally about measurement before implementation. You'll begin by creating a measurement table, a simple three-column chart that organizes your updated program objectives, what you plan to measure, and the instruments you use to collect your data. You can build this table using the Create Table feature in Microsoft Word. The number of rows will depend on how many objectives your program includes. Some projects may only have 3 objectives, while others have more. What matters is that each objective is clearly represented. Let's walk through 3 columns you'll include. The first column is objective. This is where you'll list your refined program objective from your previous assignment. Remember, objectives must be specific and measurable. They should also clearly state who your target population is, what behavior or outcome you want to change, when the change should occur, and how much change you expect to see. If any of those elements are missing, your objective is not fully measurable yet. So take the time now to refine it. The second column is the measure. This is where you will describe exactly what you're assessing. Think of this as the variable you're trying to influence. It might be body fat percentage, physical activity level, blood pressure, or nutrition knowledge. Whatever aligns with your objective. The key is that the measure directly reflects the change you want your program to produce. The third column is instrument. This is where you'll identify the tool or method you will use to collect your data. It could be a validated survey, a pedometer, a 3-site skinfold assessment, an EMR, or another reliable and valid instrument. And I want to slow down again because validity and reliability are important. Your instrument should accurately measure what it claims to measure, and it should do so consistently. If you're using an existing measurement, be sure you include a reference for it. Your table might look like something like this. Objective: by the end of the 12 weeks, adults enrolled in the program will reduce body fat by 3%. The measurement's going to be body fat percentage, and the instrument's going to be a skinfold test. After you complete your table, you'll write a brief sampling description, just 1 to 2 paragraphs in this section. You will explain who will be included in your sample, how participants will be recruited or selected, any inclusion or exclusion criteria, and your approximate sample size if you know it. This sampling plan helps demonstrate that your measurement strategy is realistic and appropriate for your target population. Finally, make sure that your assignment includes references for any existing instruments you use. And check that everything aligns with your previous assignments. Your objectives, your measures, your instruments should all work together logically and consistently. Make sure that you are incorporating previous feedback. This assignment is designed to help you think like an evaluator. It pushes you to be intentional, precise, and evidence-based in how you measure program success. I'm looking forward to seeing how you bring your program design to life through a strong, well-aligned measurement plan.